Welcome to iRise online classes. I am discussing CGL MAINS 2017 previous questions. See the question. In the given figure, MNOP is a parallelogram. So these two are parallel lines, and these two OM and PM also parallel. PM is extended to Z and OZ intersect MN and PN at x comma y, where OX is equal to 27, OX is equal to 27, XY is equal to 18, XY is equal to 18, then what is the length of YZ? Here, if this is a parallelogram, this triangle XYN, triangle XYN is similar to triangle XOP, because this is a transversal, this angle is same as this angle, and this angle is same as this angle, and these two are vertically opposite angles. So XYN is similar to XOP. Here XY by XO is same as YN by OP. Already you know XY by XO, XY is 18 and XY is 27. They are in the ratio 2:3. So these two are all in the ratio 2:3. So if this is 2x, then this is 3x. And already you know this is a parallelogram. Sum of its opposite sides are equal. If this is 3x, this is 2x. Therefore this length is x. Therefore MY is equal to x. Next. Here, if these two are parallel lines, consider this as a transversal. This angle is same as this angle. Angle Z here is same as angle O. Angle M is same as angle total N. Therefore, triangle YMZ is similar to triangle YNO. Angle M is equal to angle N here, angle Z is equal to angle O here. So therefore, this side is to this side, that is YZ by YO is equal to YM by YN. YM by YN. So therefore, what is ZY? Here YZ is not known. YZ by YO is 27 plus 18, which is equal to 45, is equal to YM is x by YN is 2x. So x cancel, cross multiply. This implies YZ is equal to 45 by 2, which is equal to 22.5. So answer is 22.5. So this question is based on similar triangles. These two are similar triangles, and this triangle are similar triangles. Based on these two, we can solve this question. The answer is 22.5. Next question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD, AB is equal to 4CD. This is a trapezium. AB, CD. If CD is x, AB is 4x. If CD is x, AB is 4x. And AB, CD are in trapezium, these two are parallel. The diagonals intersect at O. If this is one diagonal, this is the other diagonal, they intersect at O. In this, these two triangles OCD and OAB triangles are similar triangles. Triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA because these two are parallel lines. This is transversal. This angle is same as this angle. Similarly, this angle is same as this angle, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So ODC is same as OBA. Then, if these two triangles are similar and the sides are in the ratio 1:2, sides are in the ratio x is to 4x, nothing but 1:4. If sides are in the ratio 1:4 in the case of similar triangles, then what about the areas? A1 is to A2. Here the areas are in the ratio nothing but squares of the ratio of sides, nothing but 1 square is to 4 square, which is equal to 1:16. In the case of similar triangles, if ratio of sides, corresponding sides are known, ratio of areas is equal to square of ratio of sides. So answer is 1:16. Next question. In a trapezium, one diagonal divide the other diagonal in the ratio 2:9. Let this is AC is one diagonal, divide this in the ratio 2:9. If this is 2x, this is 9x. 2 parts, 9 parts. The length of the larger of the parallel sides is 45. If this is 45 centimeters, then what is the length of the other parallel sides? That is CD. See here, this is a trapezium, these two are parallel sides, then this is a transversal, this angle is same as this angle, and this angle is same as this angle, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So therefore, triangle O, if this is O, ODC is similar to triangle OBA. If triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are proportional. OD by OB is equal to CD by AB. This implies OD is a 2x by OB 9x is equal to CD question mark by AB 45. So XX cancel here, 9 ones 9 5s 45. Therefore, question mark is equal to 5 into 2, 10 centimeters. So this is 10 centimeters. So answer is 10. First option. Next question. In the given figure, ABCD is a square whose side is 4 centimeters. So this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is also 4. P is a point on the side AD. What is the minimum value of BP plus CP? BP plus CP. Here, this is fixed. In this triangle PBC, BC is constant. If BC is constant, the sum is minimum if and only if these two sides are equal. So therefore, PB must be equal to CP. If PB and CP are equal if and only if P is midpoint. So if P is midpoint, the total is 4, therefore this is 2, this is also 2. Therefore, what is PC? PC is equal to, this is 4, this is 2. So this is a square right angle here. Therefore, PC is equal to under root of 4 square plus 2 square, 16 plus 4 root 20. Root 20 is nothing but 2 root 5. Similarly, PB is also same. PB is a root of 4 square plus 2 square, which is equal to root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. Then what is sum of these two? PB plus PC is equal to 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5. So answer is 4 root 5. Answer is 4 root 5. Next question. What is the maximum number of common tangents that can be drawn to two non-intersecting circles? A very easy question. If two circles are non-intersecting, then how many common tangents can be possible? Here we have two direct common tangents possible and two transverse common tangents possible in the case of non-intersecting circles. So answer is 4. Next question. In the given figure, PQRS is a square inscribed in a circle. This is a square inscribed in a circle and of radius 4 centimeters. PQ is produced to Y and actually this is wrong. A tangent is drawn to a circle at R which meets PQ at Y. Then what is the length of SY? So we have to find the length of SY. See here, it depends on two important points. First one, if this is a circle, this is a square. Square is symmetric, even circle is also symmetric. The diameter is always passing through the center and this is the diagonal of a square. And already you know, in a square the diagonal is the angular bisector. So this is 45 degrees, this is also 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees, this is also 45 degrees. This is P, Q, R, S. At R, a tangent is drawn. This is the tangent. The tangent at the point of contact is always perpendicular to the line joining center and the point of contact. So this total angle is 90, therefore this angle is 45 degrees. At the point of contact, if you draw a perpendicular that is passing through origin, therefore this total angle is 90. Already this is angular bisector of square, therefore this is 45, this is also 45 and this is extended to Y. Okay, and this is a square, this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees, this is 45, so this is also 45 degrees. And each side is 4 centimeters, radius is 4 centimeters, so this radius is 4, so this is also 4. Then each side of the square is equal to, side of the square is equal to 4 root 2 because the diagonal is equal to root 2a, 8 is equal to root 2a, a is equal to 8 by root 2 which is equal to 4 root 2. Each side is equal to 4 root 2, this is 4 root 2, this is also 4 root 2. And this is an isosceles triangle, therefore these two sides are equal. Isosceles right angle triangle. In this isosceles triangle, if these two angles are equal, opposite sides equal. If this is 4 root 2, this is also 4 root 2. And this total is a right angle triangle again. This is a right angle triangle. So I want to find SY. SY is equal to under root of 4 root 2 whole square plus 4 root 2 plus 4 root 2, 8 root 2 whole square. This is equal to 16 twos 32, 64 twos 128, which is equal to 160 under root. This is nothing but 4 root 10. So answer is 4 root 10. First option is right. See the next question. In the given figure, CD and AB are diameters of a circle. These two are diameters of a circle. And AB, CD are perpendicular to each other. These two diameters are perpendicular. Next, LQ, SR. SR, LQ, this is Q. LQ, SR are perpendicular to AB and CD respectively. The radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. PB is to PA is equal to 2:3. CN is to ND is also 2:3. What is the length of SM? So we have to find this length SM. This is a circle. I want to draw two diameters. These are the two diameters. AB, CD. O is the center. LQ, this is L, this is Q, SR. LQ, SR are perpendiculars to AB, CD respectively. The radius of circle is 5 centimeters. The radius of circle is capital R is equal to 5 centimeters given. PB is to PA is equal to 2:3. Here, this is N, this is M, this is P. PB is to PA 2:3 and this is radius is totally 5 centimeters. Therefore, AB is equal to 10 centimeters. Even CD is also equal to 10 centimeters. This 10 centimeters is divided in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. Therefore, this is 4 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. So, this is 4 centimeters and this total is 6 centimeters but radius is 5 centimeters. So, this part is 1 centimeter. Similarly, CN is to ND is also 2:3. CN 2 parts, ND 3 parts and the total CD is equal to 10 centimeters. They are also in the divided in the same ratio 4:6. So this is 4 centimeters. This total is 6 centimeters. Already this is 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. So this is 1 centimeter. And the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. So this is the radius of the circle. This is 5 centimeters. And this is a right angle triangle. This is 5, this is 1. Therefore, SN is equal to under root of 5 square 25 minus 1, which is equal to root 24. Root 24 can be written as 2 root 6. So Sn is equal to 2 root 6. If this is a square, this is a square. So this is 1 centimeters. Therefore, SM is equal to total length 2 root 6 minus this part 1. So answer is 2 root 6 minus 1. So answer is 2 root 6 minus 1. Next question. In the given figure, PQRS is a square of side 20 centimeters. So each side is equal to 20 centimeters. and SR is extended to T if the length of QT is 25, so this is 25 centimeters, already this is 20. According to right angle triads, if this is 25, this is 20, therefore this is 15 centimeters. 3:4:5. If this is 25, this is 20, this is 15. 5 threes, 5 fives, 3 fives, 4 fives, 5 fives. Then what is the distance between centers O1, O2? If this is O1, this is O2, what is the distance between these two? So first, in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, if three sides are given, if this is 20, 15, 25, the radius of the circle, radius of in circle of right angle triangle is equal to B plus C minus A by 2. Okay, R is equal to B plus C minus A by 2, where A is the length of hypotenuse, which is equal to 15 plus 20 minus 25 by 2, 35 minus 25, 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So this is 5. And this is a circle in a square. So therefore, the radius of the circle is equal to half of the side. Therefore, the radius here is 10 centimeters. So just draw a line perpendicular to this. This is a known value because this is 10 centimeters and the radius is 5 centimeters. So therefore these two, distance between these two is 15 centimeters, and this total is 10 centimeters. Already this is 5 centimeters, so this is 5, so this is also 5. Join O1 comma O2. Here this is the distance between O1 O2. O1 O2 distance is equal to square root of 5 square plus 15 square. 5 square plus 15 square. This is root of 25 plus 225, which is equal to root of 250. This can be written as 5 root 10 centimeters. The answer is 5 root 10 centimeters. Okay. Next. In the given figure, PRQ is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay, this is Q, this is P, this is R. This is a right angle triangle. This is, if you extend this, this is a circle and this is the tangent to the circle. At the point, this is the tangent, and this is totally 90 degrees passing through center. This is S point. If PQ is equal to 35 centimeters, this is 35. QS is equal to QS. This distance is equal to 28 centimeters. Then what is SR? So we have to find SR, this distance. So to find this, see carefully, this is a semicircle. Angle in the semicircle is a right angle, therefore this is 90 degrees. If this is 90, then this is also 90 degrees. And two sides are in the ratio, this is 7 into 4, 28. This is 7 into 5, 35. This is hypotenuse, this is hypotenuse. Then what is the third side? 7 into 3, which is equal to 21. So therefore PS is equal to 21. And see carefully, this is the tangent and this is the secant line. PSR is a secant line and PQ is a tangent to the circle. Then what is the condition? PS into PR is equal to PQ square. If a tangent and a secant line drawn from the same point to a circle, then PS into PR is equal to PQ square. Using this, we can find easily SR. What is PS? PS is nothing but 21 into PR, not known, is equal to PQ 35 square. Therefore, PR is equal to 35 into 35 by 21, 7 3s 21, 7 5s, so this is equal to 5 5s 25, 5 3s 15 plus 2, 70 by 3. This is equal to, so the length of PR is equal to 58.33. The total length is 58.33. Therefore, SR is equal to 58.33 minus 21, which is equal to 37.33. So, answer is 37.33. Next question. Two circles are having radii 9 and 12 centimeters. The distance between their centers is 15. What is the length of their common chord? To solve this question, I want to give a simple point. If this is a right angle triangle, A, B, C, okay, and draw an altitude to the hypotenuse. Let this be P, this is B, this is A, the total is small a. The length of the altitude is equal to this is equal to P is equal to BC by A is a point. The length of this is equal to altitude length is equal to product of these two by A. This is a point. I want to use this point. How to get this point? Very simple. What is the area of this triangle? Half into B into C. But if we consider this as the base and this as height, this is also the area. Half into A into P. So half of cancel. P is equal to BC by A. So I want to use this to get the answer for this question. See carefully. This is a circle of 9 centimeters. This is one more circle of radius 12 centimeters. The distance between the centers is equal to 15 centimeters. Okay, this is center 1, this is center 2. The radius of first circle is 9, radius of second circle is 12. Radius of second circle is 12. See carefully, this is 9, this is 12, this is 15. 9, 12, 15. 3 is to 4 is to 5. So this is a right angle triangle. Right angle at this point, this is 90. At this point, if you draw a perpendicular, the length of this one is consider this as P. P is equal to BC 9 into 12 by A 15. So 3 4s, 3 5s. This is 36 by 5, nothing but 7.2. So this length is 7.2. And if you extend this, this is the total length of the chord. So length of chord is equal to 7.2 into 2. So answer is 14.4. Here, very important point, the chord, the common chord is always perpendicular to the line joining centers. The common chord is always perpendicular to the line joining centers. So this is the altitude in the case of right angle triangle. So answer is 14.4.